Cup lighting. This function enables or disables the cup lighting. The lighting is enabled by default. The lights come on each time coffee and drinks with milk are made and during each rinse cycle. To disable or re-enable this function, proceed as follows. Press the Menu ESC button to enter the menu. Press the hot milk or latte button until cup lighting is displayed. Press the OK button. Disable or Enable is displayed. Press the OK button to enable or disable the cup lighting. Press the Menu ESC button to exit the menu.